qualification match, drivers behind the line. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 64. This one will determine the final standings when this one is over, as the cargo is being loaded at a rapid pace in autonomous. The buzzer ends. The Red Alliance credited with being a quintet, getting those 5 pieces of cargo in. Needing 18 to get the ranking point. The ranking point could help the Red Alliance move up in the standings, as team number 1, 1771, is currently ranked number 1. The Marist Manatees, team 6340. They could use a victory to move up in the standings as well, possibly, as they're currently in the number 7 ranked position. Blue Alliance 6340. The Marist Manatees loading cargo in the low hub as they strive to reach that goal of 20. The Red Alliance has 17 pieces of cargo in towards that 18 goal, which they've now achieved for that ranking point, which will more than likely help the 1771 team, North Gwinnett Robotics, maintain their number 1 ranking. A Blue Alliance, 14 pieces of cargo, needing 6 to get that ranking point to help them out as well, as 1771 scores twice more in the upper hub. 7451 trying to play defense against 6925, who scores 3 times high. It's 68-38 with 48 seconds left to go. 29 pieces of cargo loaded by the Red Alliance. 1771 loading 2 more. There's 2 more from 1771 as they're able to score from anywhere on the field, basically. 7451, the Avenger Robotics outside of the hangar, while 6340. The Marist Manatees have climbed to that mid-rung, looking for that high rung for 10 points. The North Gwinnett Robotics, they're at the mid-rung. They've climbed to the mid-rung, looking for the high. 6340 now on the traversal rung, worth 15 points at 1771. Swings frantically on the high rung. That's the end of the match. 15 points in the hangar for the Blue Alliance. It looks like 10 for the Red Alliance. As we wait the final score of our final match here in the qualifying matches, Mercer University Rapid React Georgia District State Championships. Once again, we need a member of each team in the blue queuing area for Alliance selection. A member of each team in the blue queuing area for Alliance selection. Once again, we need a representative from each team to the blue queuing area for alliance selection. A representative from each team to the blue queuing area for alliance selection. We have a couple of decisions that are being made and double checked by the referees in that last match. As soon as we find out what the score is, we will be able to determine the final rankings. And as soon as we know, we'll let you know. All right, here's the final score. The Red Alliance is victorious in that match. Notice that the Red Alliance 69-25 had a red card issued in that match. 69-25 initiated contact inside of a robot, disabling the robot, and that is a red card offense. Now what that does is that affects just that team only in the qualification matches. The rest of the alliance gets credited with everything else.